Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making chicken nuggets. Now, cooking chicken nuggets is a fun and delicious way to enjoy a classic favorite. And with this recipe, it's perfect for both kids and adults alike. So, let's get started.
All right, let's dive right into this recipe. In the bowl of a food processor, we're gonna add 1 pound's worth of chicken breast, and we're gonna blend this until it becomes finely minced. We're also going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of granulated white sugar, followed by a 1/4 cup's worth of cornstarch and a 1/4 cup's worth of water. Pulse this until all the ingredients are well combined. Now, using about 1 tablespoon's worth of the chicken mix, you want to shape the nugget into a rectangular shape and place them on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. You want to repeat this process for the remaining amount of chicken and freeze the nuggets for about 30 minutes. In total, you should be able to make about 24 chicken nuggets. And while they're freezing, you want to heat your vegetable oil in a deep fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. For breading the nuggets, we're going to need 3 large shallow bowls. In the first bowl, you want to add in 1 cup's worth of all-purpose flour with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper mixed into it. Separately, you also want to add 2 large eggs into a second bowl and whisk those eggs together. And then finally, 1 cup's worth of breadcrumbs in the third bowl. You want to dredge the nuggets in the flour first, and then dip them into the egg mix. Finally, coat the nuggets in the breadcrumbs. And then you just want to repeat this process for all of your chicken nuggets. And now, working in batches of 4 to 5 nuggets at a time, you want to fry the nuggets for a total of 3 to 4 minutes or until both sides are golden brown. Once they've been cooked, you want to transfer them to a paper towel lined plate to absorb any excess oil. And then just repeat this for the rest of the chicken nuggets. Once they come out of the fryer, you want to garnish the chicken nuggets with some sea salt. You want to serve these hot alongside your choice of dipping sauces. Congrats, you just made chicken nuggets right at home. This recipe is perfect for all year long. You can add some chili or cayenne powder to the breading for spicy chicken nuggets instead. I can't wait to see you guys try this, and when you do, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish.
As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make chicken nuggets, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you've been enjoying the content so far, please consider becoming a member. It's a simple way to show support and reinvest back into the channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. And feel free to share this video with all your family and friends.
And stay tuned for next week where I show you a really delicious sandwich option, my Italian garden sandwich. It's really easy to make, and I think you'll love it. Well, thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it. You can always catch more recipes on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these videos. Let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.